sebenarnya je 3 orang. Kami mana je? Kami 4. So itu 3 hari bulan 6. Mana? Go. Sikit ada sikit. Jalan itu ada renangnya. Berapa ikut je pengguna jalan itu?
More than 10, less than 10. Jalan simpang setolak ngelawa sekolah ulun tabay itu kap batu orang, batu magang. Itu simpang setolak. Jalan itu rembus pakan gamok dia. Jalan lama coba lah, jalan kami
Kita coba.
Jalan kita coba.
Punya lagu lama kita coba.
Tapi dia tahu kami dengar jalan itu. Jalan hari kara, hari tayo. Nak jalan itu agak lah. Main apa tahu lah. Kan sadong orang jalannya perujia. Mana jalan itu kita nyamai ke Skrang nanti kami menua tu. Nak jauh. Dah tayo 2 jam dari rumah Panjai ni. Sejam kini. Oh nice. Kalau bak aku lah batu tu nan mo dinir kanya dong batu. Lepas jalannya udah mana? Udah di sungkur, udah di clearing namanya. Udah mana? So udah tu kami dah kat camping bak Skrang dia. Dah jauh kira 40 minit kena dari tu.
Tak jauh.
escape! Go, doggy, go! Yay! Go, doggy, go! Yeah!
Skrang. Okay kan?
I don't remember house over there.
It's a new.
New housing.
Hello, mister. Can I order a brown coffee, please?
Sampah. Kumpul sampah lagi nak tolong kita. Sampah orang ke.
Like last time you did in the middle of the road, I think so. I don't know.
Ya. Tempat mana tu? Nggak tahu bawa sampah. Kemah?
I'm gonna disappear from the family. Iris!
Sampah kami. Sangat banyak sampah. Bekas peninggalan orang sebedau tau.
I wanna swim. I'm gonna goggles.
Yeah, where the Google? Where's your Google? Google.
Hello.
Where's your me now?
Should I pick up this also? Hello, ma'am. One brown coffee, please. Hello.
Take off this thing, the sticker. It's more clear.
Oh
Take
wait,
off
look
this.
inside. Nope, I'm not.
Lagi mana nak?
Wait,
wing.
wait, drink this. It's your favorite. Where is the chicken?
There. See?
I'm already close.
Yeah.
Here is where we cook. Huh? I don't know. I hate it.
Okay, good job. Now swimming.
Yay. I win. Remember how you tested?
Ana basah duduk dia.
See, I forgot to remove it. Shine. Can I do it?
Yes.
Iris, come here! Oh, Iris! I don't want egg like that. I want egg like that. Oh, yeah. Try myself.
Okay.
I saved one of their friends because it almost floated and go away.
Animal.
Hey, more. Okay, and then you do the rain. And then I will do the rain and you.
You call?
Like a washing machine.
I'm a.
Oyster sauce.
What?
Aries, give me some water.
Don't use the balloon shake.
Hai guys, simple je. Telurnya cobaan tadi lepas nak masak masak nak dapur. Ini nak punya lo kaki. Menu kari kambing, telur goreng, sayur, nugget untuk anak-anak.
Oh, this is the one that I did. Because I don't do it. Wait, later. Let's go play together. That one, wait.
Or you just stay there. Pwede nang kape. Keluar aja, Aris. Lo. Main tay. Keluar. Dulu. Ya.
Oh, it's so cool.
That means can we go in here when you already done?
Yeah.
When you already set up the bed and
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
Ada baik terus ni.
Sisi tidak lah. Tapi aku bisa nak.
Lagi lah katil duduk. Wait, oning je dulu. Anak dia.
Every day, okay?
Ini tai dah katanya mami dah kena sengat ah.
Ya kah?
Bawa hari ko.
Karena semua api.
Bawa anak semua api dito dah res. Nyamain dah bawa dito. Yeah, no, don't have. Don't have what?
go look. I know.
This is first time, right? You use this one
Yeah.
when we are camping. Hold this one first. Okay, hold that. Hold that one.
Apa bukit tu, weh?
Look at Zoe.
Cari baju tu lagi nak.
No, it's not. Look at me. Look at me.
Oh.
Iris. Look at me. Iris. So we're gonna set a fire at where? Where we don't.
After so long we camping, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to Malaban.
Oh, there's a lava. Sorry. Oh my goodness, lava. Sorry. Lava. What's that?
This is stand. This is stand. The stand. Okay, lagi. Okay. Okay, belen ke. Asal tu lihat pandai. Klip saja. Okay. Wait. Wait.
You have to clip this up there. But it's so high. I want to clip it. Me too.
Nunggu tanya, nunggu klip je dulu.
Ooh, I just look. I know. A big window for us to open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, Merry Christmas. So we look a grasshopper.
See?
Oh my gosh. Or a mantis. Or I don't know. Oh, yeah, it is a grasshopper. Oh my god. It's like a leaf. Bye bye. Why does a grasshopper look like a leaf? I don't know. So try to dance on the camera. Okay. No. There a little bit. There to there.
Take it away.
Here? Okay, done. There. Over here? Okay, yeah. Okay, my turn. Right over here, isn't it? Yeah. Wow. Do a star jump. Like this?
Leave it.
Oh. Okay. You actually put my bow like this. My turn. Look, I'm not gonna work. Okay. Just wait.
Kalau uji dengan mayari hujan.
Apa?
Nak bocor.
Buap aja, bocor enggak?
Clap.
Buap aja.
Dance.
Detiknya nak ulas nak dah.
Wiggle. Shake. Done. Okay. Done. Now I'm tired. What about these? You don't clip them. You haven't clipped this yet.
Yes.
I want to go inside. Iris, you can actually see us higher. Oh yeah, I can just climb inside. Iris, no! You're gonna be so dangerous. Hey, Daddy, when we want some stuff, Daddy can get from here. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
So easy. I like this head.
You love it?
Yeah. Hi, Mama. It's a bug. Wait, I think it's head outside.
Nak hujan.
It's the grasshopper again. Woo! I wanna go pee pee.
Go pee first.
But I don't know which spot. Anywhere!
Toilet is everywhere.
Open public toilet.
It's open public toilet, you know.
There's lots of public toilets.
Yeah, you can pee everywhere.
And pupu so.
So many stuff I bring.
Oh.
Iris, can you get this purple bit one? My love. Sorry, my love.
Box.
Oh, there's so
Here.
I'm not trying to. You are pretending to do your work. Yeah, I am. Okay, then. Not good. No, it's okay. But when I open it, there's nobody.
Ini atas nih baru.
Okay. I'm just with you.
Okay, we almost finished.
It's hard to sleep.
It's done. You can sleep in here.
Zoe, this is okay. A moth doesn't hurt you.
You can sleep in here.
Sebunnya.
Sibun.
Kada matanya.
Embun.
Embun. Nyusun deh mana tadi?
Hello,
Ini kita nak.
It's a mini
How do you-
table.
Wait. Here.
Look, look. The moth is here.
We will cook the hot water.
Fell over this one.
Really?
Yeah.
That is your second.
No! I also fell. I used this one. Nice and calm.
I will
Okay.
sit here.
There's yellow. What's your face like that?
See? There. Is it nice?
Mama,
Beautiful.
Lampunya.
nak beberin ni?
Lampu ni. Lampu what? Boleh lah dua dito. Cuma kagali dito.
Ah, Daddy!
Apa dia buka? Alright.
Up here.
Okay, it's okay.
Let me see. Oh my God. Oh, mampu I said. Sedap.
Ah, may sedap. May tanya out. Me soup out. Me happy, okay? Zoe, you want noodles, huh?
Daddy? Look, there's a moth. Yeah. My favorite. Okay, you send it here. I want to eat like this.
Okay. Ini keluar aku mandu aku. Tapi salah.
I don't know. I'm gonna make drink house.
Pak mana kuliah?
You look like you're disappearing.
Maggie, guys. Maggie telur.
Today, I'm gonna drink this 3,000 trillion degree Celsius soup.
Yummy soup. Your body will burn. Zoe, you're not hungry?
It's the soup from the sun.
My God. Ini kenyang semua.
Aku tengok ke Maggie.
Malam tu kami bermalam batas bukit, menua ulu Skrang. Hari menua kami nya hari Serikai, nak jauh lagi tu, kira 2-3 jam, nak kira masalah. Kami slow aja. Kami menyanak tu, hari Serikai yang tadi. Tadi bas Skrang itu, ulu Skrang, sungai Skrang. Mana jalan gitu, lepas kami nengah jalan biasa, bisi duit jalan hari jalan kamu pakan oleh, hari ulun tabai pun oleh, ulun tabai pakan. Mana jalan, lepas bisi orang kerja balak pamenua sungai ulu Skrang, selalu lagi kami camping nak, baju matan dia, bisi camp lah, camp balak pembalakan. hari kemarau cukup ciru. Jadi kami menyanak di bawah bukit. Untuk keterubah ya doa yang ngau ku camping buat itu kemana bisa ukui. Pak. Untuk keterubah ya kami aku mai sedai 3 pemalam ba nganak kenopi itu. Nganak kenopi pemalam dia kami doai. Pemalam dia kami doai ini res pemalam ba kemah tu baru ya. Pengama udah dikena dah dibeli. Celap malam tu. Hah?
Apa gini tahi nutup.
Oh, celap malam tu. Ndak celap lah. Angat mengira kopi. Tapi itu nyamai bahasa bukit, bahasa sebun.
Gisalan.
Kalian dulu kopi, teh. Kira kopi, makan mie, te bukit, riling, relax. Itu mesti lain. Best itu. Pergilah baru kita mendak. Kosan tu. Kun terbaik ke drone.
3G.
Alright, si 4G. Alright.
Jangan pada minit.
Oh yeah. That's hopefully.
So much space.
There's so many
Is it comfy there?
space. Yeah,
So
it's
many
kinda
space. So many space. So many space. So many space. So many space. So many
Look,
space.
I think she's walking.
Okay, good night. Turn off the light.
No.
Turn off the light. Lagi ini time masuk angin 2 dek.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Ya.
Sleep well.
Oh, is your sleep last night? Pretty well.
Horrible.
Why?
Because I cannot sleep.
Really? Why you cannot sleep? What happened?
Oh no.
Nhiều củ à mà.
Why I heard snoring? Who is snoring?
After that, I fell asleep.
You fall asleep. Okay. Pulai ke sungai sana. Kita pulai ke sungai.
Then what do you want to eat?
I don't know. It's American.
American breakfast.
Yeah.
And you?
Malaysian.
And you?
Melaban
Sad.
breakfast.
Fried rice.
Yeah, mommy and daddy fried rice. You and Zoe American breakfast, okay? Kan orang ke sungai mandi.
Wait, let's go fly it. I will
Malam ba bukit. Boleh ke?
You should just give your virus to daddy.
Nak celap benar. Tak boleh tak?
Oh, nice. Hangat di dalam.
Hangat.
Daddy,
Dari
a
angin.
virus is coming.
Oh, if I do it older.
Do you hear like ding, ding, that one?
And what is that?
I broke a rock.
Anak inay apay lapa ng awang.
Just look at this.
What they found?
Look. Look at this. Look.
Buka corn beef. Jarang berjaya nama muka tu. Nanti berjaya lah, nanti berjaya. Biasa nak datai bau ujung. Halo. Putus. Okay. Cuma bisi bura-bura weh. Bisi bura-bura. Pas ibu dia orang katanya adanya.
Gemuk ya nya dong.
Gemuk ya kan? Kita. Oh, datai bak ujung. Nama tu bura-bura tau, gemuk ya kan?
So, what? Can I see? Can I see?
Ye.
It's expired.
Bayar tak?
Let me check. Can I see? And I don't want anymore.
Why?
Which
Let me check. Let me check.
Nya no expired nya pak.
I thought you were gonna make tangulu. Hello.
Salah ya. You're wrong side.
Si goreng. Ini bawang. Oh, panas. lang naman.
Amin. Jauh na orang to New Zealand. To Australia. Speak ini nak saya. Nebo merinet tu na awak kita aja. Yeah.
I found a purple rock.
Let me see.
Purple. It's purple.
Mày cái này. Purple.
No one ever find a purple rock.
Simpan á. Để cô lấy.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Wait for me!
What?
Go away! Come, go to that one. Let's go again. I want again! Let's go again! I don't know how to swim in deep, but I only know how to swim in a little bit deep.
Yup.
Where am I still going? Help! Help! Help!
You can stand there.
Yay! Oh my gosh. I am the winner! Again!
Okay, go. Think first, okay?
And after that, shower.
Shower again, swimming again. Okay, come. Break. You happy?
Nope. Yes. Good. Up to.
Ini marshmallow doa ya?
Nó biết đẹp chưa?
Nah,
Nó sổ đâu?
one from here.
I want more longer.
You see? Nah.
No, then take this over there. Ah! Okay.
menyana hari pagi tadi tuh ya mandi. Itu namu kurang ada itu. Sambil BBQ, sambil makai breakfast itu semua. Itu tempat biasa le menua orang pakan. Asekul. Mayo kena mau menua tu ulu Skrang. Kami tabai dah segini mau magang. Nadai siku nak nemu menua air ulu Skrang. Cukup mana hau menua ulu Skrang tu. Tapi air ulu Skrang tu sebenarnya kawasan Seriaman. Tapi hari pakan paling semak tikang lawak paling ulu sekali. Paling ulu sekali hari jalan tabai jalan kamu boleh ya. Tak usah lah bag Google. Selalu orang gitu tiap ujung minggu ke hari biasa nanti hari itu kemarau mana sungai itu cukup deras. Saya mau berapa kali udah gitu. Berapa kali. Nemu le jauh. Dari sebelah dari Empau.
Convenient kena maya genting. Gabantok handle ke diri, sakit ke diri. Tara. Lấy không điện nữa. Panas lah pula.
Sudah masak. Salai kabin. Perfect.
Salai.
Kambing. Salai kambing.
Nung gue.
I also want normal rice.
Huh?
I also want normal rice.
No more rice?
Normal rice.
Normal rice.
Me too.
Mama want to take the photo
I
of
want.
all of it. Wait, okay? Ito manit sabon. Ini baru.
Go back.
Wala kita kita baru ya. Weekend because the road is very good.
Today we are shaving off, and the others were trying to destroy, even though they leave it. Ooh. And here's the pool. We are burning the trash. I don't know. Look, what the egg? What the heck? Yeah, that's all. And that is why you have to save Earth.
Okay, bye-bye. Pulay kami. Bye-bye ulit Skrang. Hirap ko araw. Ari pun hujan. Hujan dah hujan dulu. Ayo sungai mana? Sampah dah gunung, dah clean.